Hi everyone, in this video I will present the new version of the RayBan Stories Facebook glasses, even more improved. Facebook is introducing new features for its connected glasses, including the ability to film up to 60 seconds. This doubles the current limit of 30 seconds, via the two 5MP cameras located on the front of the frame. The video quality offered by these glasses is surprisingly good and even very stable in use. An LED comes on to inform users that you are recording. The RayBan Stories have 6 hours of battery life and recharge to 100% in 70 minutes, with quick charging to recover 50% battery in 30 minutes in the charging case, which brings 3 additional charges to the glasses. To properly manage this commercial expansion of glasses, Facebook View will now be available in French, Spanish, Dutch and German. Like the dedicated Stories app, View lets you edit and retouch your photos and videos, as well as post them directly to social media sites. Facebook also allows its glasses to understand voice commands in French and Italian, allowing you to take photos and start video recordings hands-free. And yes, the device can also now offer audio notifications, such as low battery or full storage alerts, in these different languages. Note that connected glasses are not waterproof. They will not withstand splashes, immersion, extended passage underwater or any other liquid. That's all for today. Don't forget to share and like the video if you like it. Liked, and for those who watch for the first time, you are welcome. Click on subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Take care and see you next video.